first annual rap Mario Kart battle in Atlanta. You're witnessing it here in live. So, have you guys ever seen Mario Kart played in a rap show before? Have you guys ever seen like a video game played in any show before? Is that shit kind of cool though? Alright, so we gotta find the fan favorite here. Is it Logic? Is it Lubo? Is it Logic? Lubo? Logic? Lubo? It's pretty even, so let's see what we got.